Good evening, Lagos. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you're welcome to Funny Bone Untamed 4. Yeah, in a comedy show. This is one of the most important things we need now in this era of suicide and depression. Thing done serious. I go to buy rope the other day. The guy, they asked me for cloth or for suicide. That's how serious the thing done there. I see beautiful ladies all around. Fine girls for Lagos. I beg if they learn trend, you get some we need to favor us. If you know that you're used to putting body cream inside fridge, please, you need to stop. I did my uncle house the other day, and my uncle, they like chop bread. You understand? He came back with bread. A happy man for a house. Enter kitchen. Never take lights. But you know when you do your house, you know your way around. The guy open fridge, carry something they rub for bread. You know nothing about body cream. My uncle eat bread and body cream. On in lips everywhere, can't they bleach? It's bad. You need to change that trend, man. See beautiful ladies for Lagos. You cannot come and tell me that you're having problem. You can't be a fine girl in Lagos and be stranded. It's not possible. I girl go fine. Tell me say her problem and house rent. How much? 600,000. When me and you know say you get more than 4 boyfriends for this Lagos. Come on. Add all your boyfriend them for WhatsApp group. Yes, take a bold step. Explain your problem to them. Introduce them to each other. Mike, meet Emeka. Emeka, meet Jerry. Jerry, meet Frank. And then go verse, but then go come together. After all, they don't catch you. Now you open up. Once they know say you treat them well, they won't go anywhere. They'll sort your problem. Just can't form. Me and one girl enter one restaurant the other day. Order for something. She said, I don't have appetite. Lastly, she still order for garri and soup. You know, as fast food, they be lights there everywhere, mirror they everywhere. Now they bring eba and soup. The girl can't form for me, can't they move them small. I said, baby, eat well now. She said, no, I have small esophagus. I said, now I leave her one. She they move them small. Ladies and gentlemen, as this girl they swallow this eba, Nepa can't take light. Everywhere dark. She come fast, come mood one big one which she won't swallow. And she won't put on for mouth, bros. Nepa just bring light. Then she look me, baby, honey. I said, He said, this one is for you. I said, yeah, swallow him. You're crazy. You say, don't put us for problem. Fine girls. Our female, what do they call themselves? Our falcons. They play ball yesterday. I don't even understand. Girls say they play ball. See makeup within their face, heavy. How they won't win when fake hair they play against real hair? I'll take win that. I get one question for girls. Why be say if they attend burial and they still get time to do makeup? So I no plan to cry. Get one good burial, still get mine. Take time to do makeup for your face. And they enjoy you. This is a comedy show, pure comedy show. By the way, I asked a Big Brother they start. This June, by June 30th. June 30th, Big Brother will start. The sweet thing about this year, Big Brother, they say, are proudly sponsored by Bet Naija. Boys with here, they know what Bet Naija be now. Once they're inside house, they do their own Big Brother. We go there outside, they book our own. If you just go book for money in CC to be annoyed in the house over 2.5. You go enter because I get play something like, do you want to be funny? Go. Bam Teddy, go. All of them go enter. There are no musicians no go today for this show. If they do their concert, they need to call us. So our comedy show now, we need to call them. We then did their lane, they get pride. Every comedian where you see for this life, both the upcoming and the ones who don't come up already, then get very humble character. Basket Mouth, Bovi, AY, all of them. If you invite them for show, then they come alone. Musicians, once them blow, then they did 12. Ask people for Port Harcourt now. If you want to bring Davido to Port Harcourt, you go book flight for 12 people. Waiting, then they walk. One person go just hold flash drive. From here to Port Harcourt, you hold flash drive. Now you use enter flight. Enter one big room. The second person go hold white towel. Then they cheat us for this industry. We and the Nollywood actors, now we humble pass. Then they cheat us. See the video now. See, very soon, the way a song don't take the rampant now, very soon they will advertise gospel event with secular song. Song don't just to get your attention. You go just the drive for your car. You go, yeah, holy money, holy fire, holy money, holy fire. Once they get your attention, you go, yeah, the Ministry of Boys Crusade presents 3 days of power-packed miracle signs and wonders. Come and be delivered of all your financial problems. Jesus is Lord. The adverts go continue. Olodumare, bless you with money. All right, I think I saw our grandmaster, Uncle Shegu Arinze. I greet you, boss. Greetings. These are people who do movie, when movie be movie. And then be Nollywood. Don't be those ones with that Saba. Those ones are supposed to give them their own name, Saba Wood. Those are Saba guys. I was shocked. I don't even know who they write their scripts. They won't spoil the good works where Uncle Shegu Arinze said they don't keep. I watched one movie the other day where they do for Saba. One guy, they cross me road to go buy something. Moto jam and he died. For our eye, he died. For part 2, I was shocked. Then they do traditional marriage for their compound. That same guy done that canopy, they drink Fanta. I don't understand. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you before, my name is MOP. I'm a comedian. Go to Instagram and check up MOP Comedian. That's my time. God bless you all.
Lagos, make some noise for MOP.